Hey there everybody on YouTube, Justin here, Side Hustle Pro. Just going to bring you another video, 5 things that I've sold and 5 things that you can sell because I sold them, I know that they sell. So, alright, here we go. Let's keep it short and sweet. You came here to see 5 things that you could sell and 5 things that I sold. So, let's just jump right into it. I'll save my motivational speeches for later. Alright, first thing here is the Nike Flight Bonafide multicolor Jason Kidd Zoom, size 9.5. These were new without box. You can see them there, different pictures. Right. These came from Burlington. Right. And they only sat for a couple weeks. So it's over $89.99. Honestly, I just had so much stuff to list, and I'm getting ready to move and all that kind of stuff. And so I'm just getting them listed out the door. So instead of figuring out shipping and all that kind of stuff, I just list them, and then I just hit free shipping. So they're $89.99. Shipping cost was actually like $8.60 something. So I'm just going to put 9. Had free shipping. Item cost, I want to say I paid $40 for them. I could have paid $50, but I want to say $40. I wouldn't have picked them up for $50 and sold them for $90. So I probably picked them up for $40. Plus the tax was $714.28. So we'll just say $43. I do have an eBay store, and for now I am a top-rated seller. Okay, so total on that was $27.67. Right, not bad. Spend $43, make $27.67. Pretty good. Okay, so good sell there. These are, I've never known how to say this brand. Marithe Francois Gerbaud. I would say Marith Francis Gerbaud, but I'm pretty sure it's like Marithe Francois Gerbaud or Gerbaud, or I have no idea. Anyway, look for this because this, some of the stuff tends to do pretty well. Some of it doesn't. And I will admit that I've never actually seen this at like a box store or like a actual clothing store. I've never seen these sold anywhere new. Maybe it's just because I've never been looking for them or whatever, but I've never actually seen them sold anywhere new. But you know, here's just the pictures that I took. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to take pictures of pants. I do have a new background in which I can lay them all the way flat, which I think would be nice. But I just did this, you know, try to get the best pictures that I could. So anyway, $29.99 free shipping. So $29.99, sold them flat rate. 6.9, and I paid 5. I don't know what the tax is, and I always forget. 5 times 0.07 equals, so $5.35 is what I paid, around ish. eBay store, yes. So pick them up for 5, sell them for 30, make 14. Pretty sweet. Under Armour golf pants. All right. Now this is one of the reasons I like my new background, is because it's like a wood thing, right? And so you can do white stuff on it, because like white on white, it's sort of hard to pick it out, right? But that's what this is. Okay. They were in really good shape. I don't think they had any stains or defects or anything. Picked these up for $3.99, sold them for $24.99, and they did go first class. So what did I sell them for? $23.99, $24.99, $24.99. I picked them up for $3. Actually, I think $3. Are they $3.99? So like $4. We'll just say $4. Shipping cost, we'll say it was about $4. So again, make about $14, right? So buy it for $4, sell it for $25, make $14. Not bad. All right, number 4. Bought these new. These probably came most likely from a Burlington TJ Maxx type deal. And see, this is why I didn't like taking pictures like this. It's hard to get all of the distressing, but I try to do the best I could. Okay, that's typically the first picture I'll show of jeans, but not all the 501s are distressed, so I try to show the distress in there. And you can see in here, like I want to clean this up a little bit. Like this is just like you can see the bottom of, you know, it's just sort of a sheet rolled up. Doesn't really look too amazing. So glad I switched. All right, there's that. These were new with tags, sold them for $34.99. I want to say I probably paid $12 for these. right? Or $12.99. So we'll just round up to 14. Oh, sorry, wrong spot. 14. Shipping was $6.90. So roughly about $10 because it was probably, you know, well, might have been $9.89 exactly. I don't know. But anyway, spend 14, made about 10. And the reason I got these is because I thought they would sell quick, and they did, you know. So that works out. They were big size, 42, 32. Right. Next, this is just a Ralph Lauren Classic Fit red checked button front shirt. And the reason I usually wouldn't get like an extra large Classic Fit. If I did, I would get it for a few bucks and list it like $14.99. Every once in a while, I'll get like $19.99 out of them or something like that. But this is just this is an extra large, and well, sort of a crappy. That could have been pulled out more, but this is what I was really trying to get in this picture. The XLT tall, Classic Fit. Now with the Ralph Lauren polos, if they're the vintage like this, I'll only get them if they're like a Classic Fit, or they're tall, or they're like a bigger size, like a 3X or 4X T or big or something like that. Sometimes I'll get like the big fit, even if it's a large or an extra large with the vintage stuff. The newer stuff, if it's got a newer tag on it, I'll usually pick it up if the price is right. Anyway, you can tell I just sort of rushed through these pictures. I mean, they're not horrible. You can see what's going on, but like I could have straightened that out and whatnot. So, but anyway, I got like that. Like you shouldn't do this, right? Like you should flatten that out, okay? But anyway, I'm just trying to get stuff up, and I got it up, and it worked because it sold for $23.98. Now what this means is every month that it doesn't sell, I drop it down a penny, and that sort of helps me keep track of how long I've had it. So when it gets down to like 94, then I'll usually drop it by like $5 or something, or reassess what's going on, because that means I had it for like 6 months. So this I had to relist at least once, so it sat for at least a month. $23.98, and this was actually really heavy. This was with thicker cotton, so I had to sell it for $6.90, and I probably paid $4.35 for it, $4.30-ish. So not bad. Roughly a $10 profit. So there's just 5 things real quick that I sold. If you like these kind of videos, like if you like me just showing some of the just the real quick sort of how I sold, what I made on it, just leave it in the comments below. I think it can be helpful, you know, and that way the video is not horribly long, and you get to see you know, some things to be on the lookout for, right? So shoes, these were new, this was used. This was used, these were new, and this was used. So thrift shops, Goodwill, TJ Maxx, Burlington, those kind of places. Alright, so I hope you found something useful, and some sort of you can get some sort of help out of this, or even just be inspired, you know, that it can be done, that you can go out there and find stuff and get stuff sold. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, like it, and share it. Leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And also, I'm going to link down below my Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to follow me on that. So thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a great day or night, and keep on grinding. I'll catch you guys next time.